Hello, everybody. This is Matt Vick from Financial Life Planners, and this is your stock market update for the week of November 4th, 2025. The market just closed about 20 minutes ago at the time of me filming this, and I wanted to show you what happened today. We've seen a little bit of a pullback today. I want to talk about what caused that and where we could potentially be heading from here. So I'll go ahead and without wasting time and get right to the charts. As always, this is a chart of the S&P 500, top 500 companies in the United States. We could see about a 1.17% pullback today. And looking at the NASDAQ, some more tech-weighted companies, even bigger pullback, a 2% pullback today. So why is this pullback happening today? Well, this whole year we've seen a lot of noise and volatility that has caused the market to take two steps forward and one step back every so often. There are a couple different things, specifically the tariffs that we saw at the beginning of the year. Right now, we're in the middle of a long government shutdown that is kind of affecting the market, as well as all the Fed communication that we've seen over the past couple months. All this noise and news has kind of really culminated in a lot of fear for investors. But even with all that fear, we have seen the market hit all-time highs. What's happening today is a combination of a couple different things. One of those being people cashing in on some of these profits they received from some of these really high flyers, such as Palantir, Nvidia, Robinhood, companies like that. More of those tech-weighted companies, like are in the Nasdaq. Uh, Also, on top of that, there was some news coming out about Michael Burry, who is famous for the Big Short story of the shorting the housing market in 2008. Announced that he is putting a put on Palantir and Nvidia. That being said, that doesn't mean that these companies are guaranteed to go down just because a big name said that they might. For example, Palantir really posted strong earnings yesterday, and Nvidia had strong earnings even with limited trade through China, through all these negotiations and tariffs that we have going on with this new administration. Companies who are posting their earnings have continued to post beats on their earnings, even with the added expense from the tariffs. That doesn't mean it's impossible that these stocks are going to go down or continue to go down, but we are still cautiously optimistic for the outcome of these stocks in the long run. If that changes, we're more than prepared to raise cash for people, like we've talked about over the past couple months, but that isn't what we're seeing right now. In other news, I think it was important to note that the Fed did cut rates a quarter point last week after the Fed meeting. So that's something that we've talked about ongoing. I just want to let you guys know that that is what happened. And there will be another Fed meeting in about a month or so to consider another cut. That is all the stock market news I have for you guys this week. As always, feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions, comments, or concerns by phone or email, and we will give you another market update next week. Bye bye.